chill.
Yeah, I got all that. I got all of that. Fat ass. Do your fucking job. Shut your ass up, dumbass. Yo, what's up? I got you on camera, bitch. About to lose your job. Damn, niggas coming in the back. We get that VIP entrance. Hello. How are you guys? Woo. Oh wow. Wow. Yeah. Yo, niggas, we made it to the trap. Yo, this is I'm excited, bro. Alright, y'all, should we get to our cliff? Oh my god. What?
First thing in this motherfucker.
Ooh, what up, Stevie? Damn, hey, I'm doing a vlog right now, my boy. Say what up, what up?
What's poppin'?
Yes, let's go, man. I appreciate you having me, dog, for real. Yeah, let's get it popping with the boxes, man.
That's my dog right here.
Damn, when nigga really in the building though. Nigga bring his dog and shit. I wish I could bring my dog places. Just don't know how to act. Alright, y'all ready, man, to see y'all tricks, bro? Let's get that shit. We'll get a warm up. D-Lo. Hit that. Yeah. Wow. Woo. Yes. Parking. Start wearing my grade. Yes.
pushing to the park too much, standing in line to get a free lunch. Why do we do what we do when we do what we do? Hanging out late with no curfews.
This shit right here is fly though.
35 mil, please.
Hey, that shit is fly.
What do you want to do?
Nobody can actually be gas. Like dealer out here, already looking fly, fit check, nigga. You feel me? Let's go. Come on.
Gloves, bro. My fucking hands are
Hard,
freezing.
nigga. Love this dark burgundy right here. Here, man.